Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn how to access the study guides from the MTTC website. First thing you want to do is you want to enter the MTTC website in the search bar, which is mttc.nesinc.com. And then once you enter that, you will reach the home page for the Michigan Test for Teacher Certification. Then you want to go to Tests in the top bar. You want to find your corresponding test. So for this example, we're going to go to the elementary education test. So once you click on elementary education, you will see a lot of information about the test. So what you want to do is you want to go down to review preparation materials for this test. Then under section 3 of which is what's on the test, overview and test objectives, if you click that, you'll have access to the study guide for the elementary education exam, and this will be the same process for any other MTTC subject exams. So here you'll see at the top it's more information about the exam. Below that is a breakdown of the test objectives and the approximate percentage of each test objective. And then below that is sub areas, which includes different objectives on how to prepare for the MTTC. And if we go back, another great resource to use for MTTC is the sample multiple choice questions, which will be section 4. And under section 4, you're going to have around 20 questions that give you an example of how to prepare for the test, what kinds of questions that they'll ask, and it also helps you identify your strengths and weaknesses. When it comes to the MTTC, which is short for the Michigan Test for Teacher Certification, it could be an overwhelming time for students. But no worries, we're here to help. Here at Wayne State, we offer you free access to Study.com. Study.com is an online virtual classroom that offers videos, modules, text transcripts with keywords, quizzes, and more to help you prepare for the MTTC. Again, this is a free resource for WSU students. For access to Study.com, please fill out the following survey. In the survey, you'll be asked to answer certain questions such as your name, your access ID, who your advisor is, and which MTTC subject test you're planning to take. From there, you'll receive a confirmation email once you've been added to Study.com. We're going to learn about navigating Study.com. So once you have access to Study.com for your designated MTTC test, you'll see the different chapters that you have access to. So for this walkthrough, we're going to use elementary education as an example. So the elementary education classroom for Study.com has 30 chapters. Each chapter has a different amount of lessons. So for this example, we're going to zone in on chapter 1. So in chapter 1, we can see that there are 4 lessons. We're going to focus on the first lesson. So for chapter 1, lesson 1, you'll have a video that's very student friendly. Videos usually range from 2 to 5 minutes roughly. If you are more of a reader, there is a lesson transcript right below the video that allows you to read through everything that would be talked about for this lesson, and it also includes keywords and definition that'll help you prepare for the exam as well. There are also quizzes for each lesson in Study.com. The quizzes usually are composed of 5 questions that are all included in the video and the text transcript from the previous section. Another great thing about Study.com is it aligns with the study guide from the MTTC website. So if there is a section early in the MTTC website, it'll be in the earlier sections of Study.com, and it also gives you a breakdown of how long it normally takes students to get through each of the sections. So for the elementary education exam, it breaks it down into weeks for you. So this will be a little bit over 2 months.